So, Mr. Shillings, what is the make, model, and year of this vehicle?
It's a 2007 Mustang GT convertible, one of 483 made with these options.
So, when did you buy this car?
2007, brand new in July of 2007.
So, obviously a car like this is going to have a bunch of cool features. What feature on this car is your favorite?
The lines of the Mustang, it goes back to when I was at Scecina. I had a Mustang 69, and this looks, it's a retro to that. So when I bought the car, I wanted to get this car because of the lines, and then I wanted the color.
So if there's one thing that you could change about this car, however, what would it be and why?
I think I've done just about everything I can change on it that I didn't like when I got it, if that's the correct words. But I don't think there's too much that I would change on it. I don't think there's anything, actually. I'm pretty happy with it.
So I'll hope the answer is no, but have you ever gotten into a crash in this car?
No. This car, it hardly ever sees the road too much anymore. It is pretty much parked all the time. It's only got 38,000 miles on it, and it's a 2007.